Choosing the right entry door is about more than function. It's about creating a seamless look that complements your home's design. In Mandeville, where architectural styles range from classic southern homes to modern coastal designs, custom door replacement offers homeowners the opportunity to match their doors perfectly with their property's character. With the right combination of materials, finishes, and design elements, a custom door can enhance both appearance and performance. One of the biggest advantages of custom door replacement is design flexibility. Instead of settling for a standard, one-size-fits-all option, homeowners can select a door that aligns with their home's architectural style. For traditional Mandeville homes, this might include doors with decorative panels, glass inserts, or detailed trim that reflect timeless design elements. For more modern homes, sleek lines, minimal detailing, and bold finishes can create a clean and contemporary look. Material selection is another important factor when customizing a door. Different materials not only affect the appearance but also influence durability and performance. Fiberglass doors, for example, can mimic the look of natural wood while offering greater resistance to moisture and humidity. Steel doors provide a more modern appearance along with enhanced security. Choosing the right material ensures your door complements your home while standing up to Mandeville's climate. Glass features can also play a major role in customization. Decorative glass inserts, side lights, or transoms allow you to bring natural light into your entryway while adding visual interest. Frosted or textured glass can provide privacy without sacrificing brightness, making it a practical and stylish addition. These features can be tailored to match both traditional and contemporary designs, helping your door blend seamlessly with your home's overall aesthetic. Color and finish options further enhance customization. A bold front door color can create a striking focal point, while neutral tones offer a more subtle, cohesive look. In Mandeville, where homes often reflect coastal influences, finishes that complement natural surroundings, such as soft blues, warm wood tones, or crisp whites, can enhance curb appeal. The right color choice helps tie together your home's exterior elements, including siding, trim, and landscaping. Another benefit of custom door replacement is improved functionality. Homeowners can choose features that fit their lifestyle, such as wider door openings, double doors, or additional panels for increased accessibility. These options not only improve convenience but also contribute to a more balanced and proportionate design, especially for larger entryways. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. Custom doors can be built with insulated cores and high-quality weather stripping to help maintain indoor temperatures. In Mandeville's warm and humid environment, this helps keep cool air inside while preventing heat and moisture from entering. The result is a more comfortable home and improved energy performance. Security can also be integrated into the design without compromising style. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials can all be included in a custom door. These features provide peace of mind while maintaining the aesthetic you want for your home. Professional installation is essential to ensure your custom door performs as intended. A properly installed door fits securely within the frame, seals correctly, and operates smoothly. This not only enhances durability but also ensures that all design and performance features work together effectively. Custom door replacement also adds long-term value to your home. A well-designed entry door that complements your home's architecture can make a strong first impression and increase overall appeal. Potential buyers often notice these details, making it a worthwhile investment whether you plan to stay or sell in the future. In the end, custom door replacement options allow Mandeville homeowners to create a perfect balance between style and performance. By tailoring materials, design, and features to match your home's architecture, you can achieve a look that feels cohesive and inviting. At the same time, you benefit from improved comfort, security, and efficiency, making your new door a smart and lasting upgrade.